Greetings, Nathaniel's here. This is agentgpt, and I'm going to test this to see how well it does. This will be a research bot, and we're going to call it referenced resources. Okay, and I want to, the goal is to identify AI tools that will specifically reference a local library of documents and generating answers to user queries. Maybe that's too fancy, but what I wanted to be able to do is I have a library, a folder, for example, and I want to query that folder with all questions, with my questions, and I want to make sure that the answer comes back to a specific document. So this would be used in education, be used in research, it would be used in law firms, engineering, you name it. Anywhere where a user needs to make sure that the documents, the response to the query actually has a root source. We're all familiar with the problem of hallucinating. I want to know if anybody has actually figured out how to solve this problem. Okay, document indexing, local library of documents, sure read requirements, top 10 NLP made simple, executing short list tools, capable of reference local library of documents, extract variables from a given task. It is essential to identify the key requirements for the AI tools, document search and analysis. Once the key requirements are identified, the next step is to review the documentation. Review documentation. Starting task. Choose the most suitable AI tool that specifically references a local library of documents. Okay. Knowledge graph systems. Review documentation. Short list. Okay, it looks like it just keeps generating a short list based on an objective have been a shortlisted Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, max loop of 5 exceeding shutdown. Click here to summarize the conversation. All right, summarizing. All right, so here's the summary. So it's saying Google Cloud, IBM, Microsoft Azure, and Elasticsearch. Interesting. So is this because it's not aware of other documents? I don't know. Does LangChain handle this problem? I don't know. But we have seen a quick demonstration. Now let's export this as a PDF. And let's see what we can see. Okay, so now we have all of the thinking process that happened here. Okay, reference library of documents. Have capability to access library of documents. Executing, understand the problem at hand. Effectively retrieve relevant information from a local library of documents. Size format of local library. NLP models. Information retrieval systems. Knowledge graph systems. Specific references a local library of documents. problem, extracting variables, smart and efficient, detailed response. Okay, so again, these are the tools that it's suggesting. And now it that exits because we've gone into a loop. And here is the summary in Markdown. All right, so here are the answers to my questions. Google Cloud, IBM, Microsoft, and Elasticsearch. Not exactly what I expected, but this was a test, and I do hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.